guys, so today we're going to DIY a pair of jeans that I like the least right now. I have some ideas from Pinterest here, and we're going to add some details to it, like ribbons, pins, and like stuff like that. So this is what we are working with. These are my pants. They are a size 5. I would say my exact size would be size 3. And all my size 3 and size 2 jeans fit me perfectly. I'm going to try them on beforehand just to see what they look like before, how they fit before. So I have my pair of scissors here. I have this skull pattern that I got. Not sure what to do with that yet. I bought a pack of large safety pins, some small thin ribbon, and these 2 pretty black bows. And we're going to be using these 2 customs. What I'm going for is I want to add the bows here. And I want to make some cuts where because they're really close fitting and there's not much give. So I want to cut some places and then attach these to the places that I cut the back pockets to have this pattern, I'm thinking. And then I add like little tinier bows to the back pockets and down at the bottom of the pants. I'm gonna try them on. Right now, this is how they fit. A little bit on the tighter ends, like sucking me in a little bit. And this is the bottom. This is how they fit. So I got a fork to make the little bows. These in this example right here. And we're going to use this. Cut off this much. Took a really long time. I had to figure out how to do the bows, but now I want to seal the ends with some fabric glue. I'm going to sew these in the front right here. I decided to place them closer to the front. Probably should have tried them on before I sewed them, but I did not. My mistake. Anyways, this is the final look. It's dark, it's fitted, and it's a little cute. We have the bows on the back. We have the bows on the back. Bows on the front. A black cardigan. A black crop top that is not cropped on me because I'm short. Then I paired it with my black socks. And this is the final look. So feel free to tell me what you liked about the video, what you didn't like in the comment section below. I'm open. For the next video, I want to do a lookbook type of situation. So if you liked the video, feel free to leave a like. And if you're interested in my style so far, subscribe. And any questions you have, feel free to put them below in the comment section. I hope you all have a great day. Bye!